Alright, enough talk. Time to see QuickHub in action. In this episode, I'm going to launch a marketing campaign in just a few minutes using QuickHub. No cuts, no cheats, real time. By the end of this, you'll see firsthand how one person can do what used to take a whole team. All thanks to a little vibe marketing magic and QuickHub's all-in-one platform. If you've ever set up an email blast or a text campaign the old way, you know it can be a bit of a slog. Watch how QuickHub streamlines the whole process. I'll narrate as I go, and I'll be acting as our own camera person here, describing what's on the screen.
Click on Quick Campaigns from the left sidebar. Next, click on Template. Here you'll see hundreds of ready-to-use templates. Click on Advanced. You'll now see multiple templates designed for different campaign goals and business types. Select a template that fits your business. For this example, choose the referral template for a gym. You are now inside the email editor. This is where you customize the template for your business. To add your business logo, click on the image placeholder. Select Upload Image and upload your business or product logo. Adjust the image until it looks clean and properly aligned. Now update the text. Add your business name, offer details, and any information you want your customers to see. Once done, click Save and Next. On the screen, name your campaign. Next, write your email subject line. Before sending, click on Preview to see how your final email will look. Now click on Select Contacts. Choose the specific contacts you want to send this campaign to. Click Next. Then click Send Now to launch the campaign. And just like that, your campaign is sent. From here, you can open the campaign details anytime and track everything in one place.
How easy was that? We went from zero to launched campaign and everything looked professional and on brand without me writing a single line of code or juggling multiple platforms. This is the power of vibe marketing in action. Rapid execution, personalization, and real-time insight, all in one. The key takeaway is that automation doesn't mean losing the human touch of creativity. Notice, I still crafted the message content in our brand's tone and style. QuickHub just handled the busy work of getting that message out to everyone and tracking the results. In fact, because it's so quick to do, I, as a marketer, can spend more time brainstorming great offers and less time wrestling with tools or spreadsheets. If something didn't work out well, I lose soon, and I can adjust on the fly or for the next time. Marketing becomes this iterative, responsive process, which is exactly what vibe marketing is all about. If you enjoyed seeing QuickHub in action, give this video a like. If you're thinking, I wish I could try this myself, well, you can. We've got a free trial link for the QuickHub in the description below. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of campaign you would launch first with QuickHub. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We've got one more episode coming up. Now that you've seen how to automate a campaign, next we'll talk about how to keep all this automation feeling genuine and what steps to take to fully embrace vibe marketing in your own strategy. You won't want to miss it. Great job following along today. See you in the next one. Simplify your vibe, amplify your marketing.